Hi folks, this is Dr. Leitner, and this video is a short introduction to the microessay. There is a handout linked from the syllabus that you're looking at right now, and that explains the microessay requirements and guidelines in detail. I'm going to go over the requirements here and what I'm looking for in general, and how to submit that assignment. There will be a separate video, at least one separate video, uh, for each course about the specific assignments for that course. So this is a generic video, applies to all my online and face-to-face courses. So what is a microessay? A microessay is a super short essay that still follows the principles of an essay, meaning it has a thesis statement and it has supporting reasons and it has quotes from the text as evidence. Now, let me just go over the requirements, and I will actually read these so you know what they are. It has to be submitted in a .doc or .docx format, in other words, Microsoft Word. It has to be strictly between 300 and 500 words. It has to have the question at the top of the page. The text of that question is not included in the 300 to 500 word count. And then the second sentence has to be your thesis statement, and that thesis statement should answer the question. Now, that thesis statement could be its own paragraph. You could have that as its own paragraph. That would be fine. It's optional. But the whole thing should be no fewer than 3 paragraphs and no more than 5. Each paragraph has to have a topic sentence that introduces what that paragraph is talking about. And each paragraph, other than the thesis statement paragraph, has to have a quote from the text as support. Short quote, between 5 to 10 words. Okay, so those are the requirements, and let's look at how you might submit these. You will have a microessays link on the left side of your Blackboard screen, and you'll see a link for the name of the assignment. And here you'll see there's a button here that says Write Submission. Do not use this because what's going to happen is you will try to type it into the text box, and if it takes any amount of time at all, you'll get timed out and you'll lose your work. So instead, write it in Microsoft Word and save it on your computer. So we'll browse and we'll upload it, and this is the same type of thing you'll do for uploading an attachment to email or something like that. Okay, so there's our essay we want to upload. Okay, and that looks like the right file. Okay, so you might give me an additional comment here, and in some cases I might actually ask you for a comment. So you hit the submit button. Now, if all goes well, you will see a preview of your text here. Okay. Now this is telling me that the file is being converted, so we need to wait a minute. And again, you might see this, so I'm kind of glad this is coming up. I'm going to refresh it and see. Aha. Okay. Good. This actually did come up. So let's take a little closer look here at what this person has written. Okay, you can see the question is very clearly here at the top. They bolded it to kind of separate it from the rest. And you can see the first sentence here is its own paragraph. This thesis statement is its own paragraph. And I can see immediately that this person has quotes in every paragraph. Okay, 1 or 2 short quotes in every paragraph. And I can see that they have 5 paragraphs. And let's check the word count here. Okay, I'm pretty sure this is fine, but okay, 367 words. So that's perfect. That's right in between our 300 and 500 limit. So once you have this here, you're good, and your assignment has been submitted. So good luck with the course. Good luck with writing your micro essays, and I will talk to you soon.